Hello everyone! Start off by taking a square sheet of gift wrapping paper and then fold in the edges to make it meet in the center. Then fold over the sides and the bottom and the top as such and unfold one of the edges. Make multiple folds on all four sides. Now reverse the sheet of paper and then fold over the edges very slightly. Overlap and insert one corner into the other. For our next craft, take a square sheet of paper and then fold over one of the ends into a small strip. Reverse the paper and then fold into the sides. Insert the bottom half into the upper strip that you have created and then open up the pack. You may insert something into this and then stick it however you may like. For our next craft, we will be taking a square sheet of gift wrapping paper and then folding over the bottom and the top. Then fold over the sides to make two small strips and make it meet in the center. Fold over the bottom end and then reverse the paper and then fold it to meet in the center. Using the patterns that you have created, fold in the sides inwards so that it is not seen unless you open it. Now fold over the bottom and the top edge and open it up to form a box-like shape. Now in order to make a cap, take another sheet and then fold over the top half as such. Fold over the bottom half, attach it to the bottom, and there you have it. For our next craft, take a green sheet of paper, draw a cloud-like shape on this green sheet of paper, inside of which you will draw a heart-like shape. Do the same drawing one more time in reverse. Now proceed to cut out these shapes. Also separately cut out the heart shape that you have created. Stick it on a hard plastic transparent sheet and then cut it out. Stick this glass-like heart shape on the first cutout that you made. Next, take another sheet of paper, fold it diagonally and then cut off one of the ends, or rather one of the triangles. Repeat this on the opposite side. However, do not completely cut it off on the opposite side. Rather, make two cuts and then make a smaller cut. And then completely cut off the smaller triangle that you make. Then make a cut in either of the sides and then fold it over to make it meet at the center. You should be left with a bow. Attach this to the initial heart decoration you have made. For our next craft, take a gift wrapping paper and then make the edges meet at the center. Fold over the sides and then unfold them and then fold over the top as well as the bottom. Now unfold everything except for two of the sides. Using the patterns that you have created, make a box-like shape. Next, take another sheet of paper, fold it over diagonally and then fold over the bottom to make small strips. Do the same on all four sides. Fold over a narrow strip to make it look like a frame. Then fold over inwards the protruding edges. And once more fold the strips outwards. Reverse the paper and then make the edges meet towards the center. At the center, all of the white portions, reverse it to make the red side seen. Fold it in such a way that it makes the shape of a heart and insert each part inside. Now fold in the edges to make a square shape at the end of it. Reverse the paper and undo the folds but only fold two of the sides, or rather leave it folded. Using the new patterns you have created, fold it inwards. After having it folded, you will have formed the top of your box. For our next craft, take a square sheet of colorful paper and then make all of the edges meet in the center. Repeat this process for two of the ends and then reverse the paper and fold in the other end. Internally fold one of the edges and make it protruding and then insert one piece into the other until it forms a circle. After this, it should be able to fly. Thank you for watching.